The following segment is sponsored by Smith Injury Law and 300hurt.com.
When it comes to working with the right attorney, you want integrity to guide every step of the process. But there have been some high-profile cases, like the Murdaugh case in South Carolina's Low Country, and these cases are raising some ethics questions. Richard Smith is here from Smith Injury Law to talk about it. Hi, Richard.
Good morning.
In that Murdaugh case, whatever happens, he's already resigned from his law firm and he's been suspended from the bar. A lot of people are wondering about the ethics at play and how is money supposed to change hands when you settle your case or when you receive a settlement?
Well, what happens is when the lawyer settles the case and explains to the client accepts the offer, then the check is sent to the attorney to be deposited in his attorney's client trust account. And that account is highly regulated by the bar, make sure that everything is in there properly, that you have to balance that account each month. You can't commingle funds. It's very important that money be held in the trust account properly. And we don't know in the Murdaugh case whether he was involved in taking money from his trust account or just commingling money somewhere else, but he has accepted the suspension by the bar and admitted to some type of misuse of funds.
Well, and in this situation, I know the lawyer is supposed to account for every dime that goes into and out of the trust account, like you've been telling us. And it's something that most attorneys really take very seriously, don't they?
Absolutely. There's no faster way to get disbarred as a lawyer than to commingle money or take money from your client trust account. It's very important. The bar is very tough on that. And every time you settle a case, what happens is the attorney should do a disbursement sheet and show you where every dime of that money is going. When you settle the case, what's the full amount of the settlement, how much is being paid to the providers of medical treatment, costs involved, and the attorney's fees. So you should be able to look at that sheet and see a complete breakdown of your money, and they should make you a copy of that disbursement sheet as well. It's very important that you understand the lawyer is a fiduciary. They work for the client, not the other way around, and they've got a duty to make sure the client is fully informed and taken care of.
That's important to understand. And when it comes to the way you practice law as Smith Injury Law, ethics is at the forefront of everything you do, isn't it? What do you want people to understand there?
Absolutely. We want you to know that when you hire Smith Injury lawyers, that you're getting either myself or my partner, Scott Becky, or both of us to work on your case. And we're going to be available to talk to you if you need to talk to us about your case. We've got a very good staff that are excellent and they can handle most questions that clients have. But we have no problem whenever you need to talk to us. We can schedule an appointment either in person, by Zoom call, or on the phone. We're here for you. We work for you, and we're here to protect your rights. And if the lawyer is not willing to talk to the client and meet with the client when the client needs information, that's a major problem.
Yep, it is. But at Smith Injury Law, you covered all. Your practice areas actually include personal injury, workers' compensation, car and truck collisions, and Social Security disability claims. Is there anything else you want people to keep in mind before you go, or just to understand about the way you practice?
Just to know that we're going to give you our very best effort. We're going to answer your questions. We're going to take your phone calls. If the staff people can help you, that's great. If you want to talk to one of us, no problem. We'll set that up as well. We want you to be fully informed before you make any decision, because the case belongs to the client, not the lawyer. And you should never accept bad service from your lawyer. You've got a right to be treated with respect and to be informed about your case.
Well, you're so easy to talk to. You make everything just easier to understand. So we love these conversations. People will love to work with you. They can call you at 300hurt or they can visit 300hurt.com. Richard Smith of Smith Injury Law, thanks so much for being here.
Thank you very much, Margaret.